Many people dream of starting a YouTube channel to build an income, but they run into a roadblock before they even post their first video. They simply don't want to be on camera. In 2026, you can skip the camera entirely. There is a model known as a faceless channel, where the creator builds a profitable business while remaining completely invisible to the audience. This changes your role. You are no longer a solo creator trying to do everything yourself. You are a director, managing a digital crew that works around the clock. This crew is made up of specialized software tools that act as your writer, your voice actor, and your editor. Because you are using AI instead of a human production team, you can manage your entire channel for roughly the same price as a monthly streaming subscription. Building a channel this way involves stepping into a leadership role. You are using automated systems to create a media asset that can grow much faster than a traditional one-person show. Before your crew starts working, you have to decide what your channel is actually about. In the industry, we call this picking your niche. The most successful creators focus on high-value topics like personal finance, business technology, or investing. These areas are profitable because companies are willing to pay much higher rates to show their commercials to people interested in those subjects. By focusing on these specific buckets, a channel can generate significant revenue, even if it only has a small, specialized audience. Once you have your topic, you introduce your first digital crew member, the AI writer, using a tool like Claude. You give the software a prompt, and it instantly builds out a full script, organizing your opening hook, the core facts, and the final conclusion at a speed no human can match. However, a director's job is to provide guidance. You can't just copy and paste whatever the software writes. You have to edit the script and adjust the prompts to make sure the tone feels natural and engaging for your viewers. When you combine a high-value topic with a well-guided script, you create a final product that advertisers are eager to support. After the script is ready, it needs to be spoken. In the past, this required buying a professional microphone and finding a quiet room, but that's no longer necessary. Your AI voice actor, through tools like 11 Labs, reads your script aloud. These voices are now so advanced that they include the natural pauses and inflections you'd hear from a real person. The final member of your team is the AI editor, using tools like Solo or CapCut to assemble the actual video. The software syncs your voiceover with relevant background footage and automatically adds the on-screen captions that keep viewers engaged. This combination of realistic voice and automated editing allows one person to produce professional-grade content with the efficiency of an entire studio. Because these tools are so powerful, it's tempting to think you can just let them run on autopilot without any supervision. That approach leads to what we call AI slop, unoriginal, robotic-sounding videos that don't offer any real value to the person watching them. YouTube systems are designed to find this low-effort content. If a channel just pumps out unedited AI clips, the platform will stop that channel from earning any ad revenue. You also have to be careful with quality control. Trying to use copyrighted videos or music without permission will quickly lead to your channel being shut down. The software handles the repetitive labor, but your taste and your oversight are the only things that keep the business safe and profitable. Even with an efficient system, you have to be realistic about the timeline. This is a legitimate business, which means it takes time to grow. Almost every new channel goes through the ghost phase during its first few months. You might upload 50 videos while earning $0. During this time, the algorithm gathers data to find your ideal audience. This early work is an investment. You're building digital assets that eventually compound in value. Using AI to build a channel is a highly efficient way to enter the media industry. This model works because it takes a highly complex production process and makes it instantly accessible to anyone with a computer. The easiest way to see results is to stop looking for shortcuts and start using these tools to build something of actual value. And that starts with directing your very first script today.